Hey WonderPeekers! Imagine a forest where no birds sing, no insects buzz, and locals once refused to enter because they believed the air was deadly. Welcome to Socotra Island, Yemen. A place so alien, NASA called it the most extraterrestrial place on Earth. But the crown jewel, the Dragon S blood tree, a bizarre umbrella-shaped tree that bleeds red sap and was long believed to suffocate oxygen. Here's the twist. It's not deadly, it's a climate survival machine. According to the MDPI Forests Journal 2020, these trees don't steal oxygen, they literally pull water out of thin air. It's called horizontal precipitation. Fog rolls in, the leaves trap it, water drips down the trunk. Each tree can harvest hundreds of liters of water a year, turning desert into micro-jungles. But there's more. These trees are what scientists call umbrella species. Protect them, and you protect entire hidden ecosystems, like rare reptiles found nowhere else on Earth. A 2020 study in the journal Forests revealed these trees are essential for the reptilian biodiversity of Socotra. But here's the real shocker, this entire forest is dying. Saplings are eaten by goats, cyclones rip apart old trees, and only one plateau remains with a healthy forest canopy, Roqueb de Firmihine. Scientists are now using UAV drones and satellite imaging to map each surviving tree before it is too late. They found the forest shrinking faster than anyone predicted. This isn't just a biodiversity hotspot, it's a survival blueprint for the planet. These trees create air, trap carbon, harvest water, and protect other life. They're not a threat. They're a warning, we're just beginning to understand their genius. But the question is, will we save them before they vanish? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you visit this alien forest before it disappears? Subscribe to WonderPeek for jaw-dropping science, untold history, and hidden marvels every single week.